Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi.
We have this question here. Find the mean of following data. Now this is group data and we know mean of wait, instead of here I'll write here mean of grouped data is summation of fi mi divided by summation of fi, where fi is class frequency and mi is class mark. Now with this information we can find the mean of this data. So let me first write class mark of each class here. So 0 plus 10 5, next is 15, next is 25, next is 35 and next is 45. Now let's write fi multiplied by mi here. So we get 16 multiplied by 5 as 18, 12 multiplied by 15. So 12 5s are 60, 12 ones are 12 plus 6 is 18. So 180. 25 multiplied by 12 is 25 2s are 50, 25 ones are 25 plus 5 is 30. So 35 multiplied by 24 is, let's see, 35 by multiplied by 2 is 70. 70 multiplied by 12 is 840. So this is 36 multiplied by 45. So let's do this. 45, 36, 6 5s are 30, 6 4s are 24 plus 3 is 27, 5 3s are 15, 4 3s are 12 plus 1 is 13. So we get 0, 7, 5, 12. So we get 0, 2, 6, 1. So these are the multiplication of each class frequency multiplied by class mark. We can write total here, total of these two. So let's see, 16 plus 12 is 28, 28 plus 12 is 40, 40 plus 24 is 64, 64 plus 36 is 60 plus 30, 90, 90 plus 10, 100. So this is 100. Let's see, this is equal to 0 0 0 0 0 2 4 6 6 0 6 6 8 14 14 8 22. 2 carried, 6 2 8 8 8 16, 16 plus 3 is 19, 19 plus 1 is 20, and this is 3. So 3020. Therefore mean equal to summation of fi mi divided by summation of fi, which is equal to 3020 divided by 100, which is equal to 30.2. Therefore mean equal to 30.2. This is the answer.